This faceless YouTube channel is making $30,000 every month with extremely simple YouTube shorts. In fact, I created 300 of the same YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes for free. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to do the same so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. But before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me to create more content like this. Okay, let's start. First of all, open ChatGPT to generate a short story. But we need to train ChatGPT to generate a continuous short video script. Let's do it together. Okay, in the first step, I am giving the prompt. I want you to come up with some quotes in the following style I am going to teach you. ChatGPT is now ready to learn. Now we will give the instruction for our script. For the short video, we will generate some quotes, and these quotes will be in two parts to make the video engaging. I will put all these prompts in the description so that you can access them easily. Okay, ChatGPT has given some examples, that's perfect. I am going to make a video on motivational quotes, so I am asking for motivational quotes. Now I will transform these quotes into an Excel format with the help of ChatGPT. That's perfect. ChatGPT is now acting as my very own personal assistant. It generated 10 quotes at one time. Now I will ask for 30 more quotes. Wow, it's working perfectly. Repeat the process again and again for however many quotes you want. Okay, ChatGPT has generated a minimum of 60 video scripts in just 5 minutes. Now open an Excel sheet or Google Sheet, then copy the table content generated by ChatGPT. Our script generation is complete. Now we will make a video with these quotes. For video making, today we will use an online video editor tool named Canva. You can also use Pictory AI or HeyGen. I will provide all the application links in the description. If you are new to Canva, you have to register a new account. You can register with Google, Facebook, or your email account. I already have a premium account, so I am clicking on Login. After successfully logging into your account, click on Mobile Video here. It will open a blank video editor page. Now you can see a huge number of pre-built mobile video templates available here. Select one of these. If you are using a free account, you may not have access to some premium templates. Choose the best template that is a perfect match for your video topic. I am selecting this one because I love the sea beach. Now adjust your video time. Then go back to Google Sheet and copy the first part of your first quote. Go back to Canva again and paste it in the text box. Adjust your text size and alignment. You can change the text effect as well. Select your desired effect. Sometimes the text may not be visible due to a light background, so we will use a text background. Just click on Effect here and select the background option. But this time, I will use an outline. I am also changing some attributes to make my text more attractive. Now select the text and right-click. Then click on Show Timing to ungroup your text from the video timeline. Now adjust your text timeline to half of your video. Okay, now press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to make a duplicate of your text, and then go back to Google Sheet. Now copy the second part of your first quote, go back to Canva, and paste it in the text box. Again, adjust your text timeline. This time, place your text in the last half of your video. Now review it. Perfect. Our first video is completed. Now we will generate 60 videos in the same format in just a few clicks. To do this, click on Apps here and select Bulk Create. If you are a free user, you may not be able to use this feature, but don't worry. Canva offers a 30-day free trial. Now click on Enter Data manually. Clear the table and go back to Google Sheet, then copy the first column and paste it into Canvas Table 1. Do the same for the second column. Okay. Now click on Done. After that, select the first part of the quotes and click on Connect Data. Repeat this step for the second part of the quotes. Now click on Continue. Make sure that all the quotes are connected. Now click on Generate Pages. Okay, now you can see that all the quotes have been converted into videos. Our video generation is complete, and now it's time to download them. To download all of these videos, click on the share button here and then click on download. Make sure your output format is set to MP4 video. Now click on the checkbox to download pages as separate files, otherwise, they will be downloaded as a single long video. Then click on download. Canva will take some time to download. We will fast forward this part. Okay, the files are now downloading as a zip folder. After the download is complete, open the folder location and unzip it. Now you can see that there are 60 different videos generated by Canva in just a few clicks. You can upload these videos to your YouTube channel and earn real money. And that's it. You've learned how to create captivating YouTube shorts using Chat GPT and Canva. With this knowledge, you can now start your own faceless YouTube channel and generate a substantial income. Don't forget to experiment with different video topics and templates to find what works best for you. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your YouTube journey. Until next time. Bye-bye.